Hello my students, how are you? Today we'll solve multiple questions on Unit 2 from المعاصر book, okay? First question, multiple choice questions. Number 1, the greatest common factor in the polynomial expression here, 4x power 3, 4x power 3y, subtract 7xy power 2, subtract 63xy is. We have 14, 7 and 63. They are can divided by 7. Then we can write 7 between all digits, height common factor. And x power 3, x was repeating, x also had common factor. We have y power 2, y was repeated. Then 7xy, it will be the height common factor between three terms. Then the common factor will be 7xy, choose letter C. Next question. Number 2, 5xy plus 5ap equals 30. We can find the value of xy by divided by 5 all terms. Divide here by 5 and here 5. Then xy plus ep equal 6. Question 27 a power 3 plus 18 equal to, we can write the height common factor between two numbers 9 and divide 27 by 9 equal 3. A power 3, 18 divided by 9 is 2. Okay, next question. Number 4, 2xy power 2 plus 2xy power 2y plus 2xyz equal 24. We can factorize this expression. I write height common factor. Write 2xy height common factor. 2xy power 2 divided 2xy, it will be y. 2x power 2y divided 2xy, it will be x. 2xyz divided 2xy equals z. Then the product between them equal 24. Then 2xy product this expression. This expression he gave me the answer in this question. The value is 6. Then 2xy product by 6 equal 24. 2 times 6 12. Then xy product by 12 is 24. We can divide it by 12. Then xy equal 24 divided by 12 equal 2. Then xy equal 2. Next question. Number 5, negative 15 a power 2 p power 2 plus ap power 3 equal. We can write height common factor between two terms, right? Negative outside. 15 and 5 and 9 can divide by 3. A power 2 and a can divide by a. And b power 2 small between p power 3 and b power 2. 15 divided by 3 5. Negative divide negative positive. A power 2 divided a equal a. P power 2 divided b power 2 1. Positive divide negative negative. 9 divided by 3 equal 3. A divided a 1. B power 3 divided b power 2 p. The answer will be 5a minus 3p product negative 3ap power 2. Okay, next question. Number 3. 3a product by 2x plus y, subtract 5p product by 2x plus y. We can write the height common factor between them, brackets repeating. Right, 2x plus y height common factor, then the result divided this expression by 2x plus y, the result will be 3a. This expression divided 2x plus y, the result will be 5p. Okay, next question. Number 7, we have the expression 6ma plus 2mb subtract by 3na subtract by nb. We can factorize this expression, right? Two expressions together. We can write the height common factor between together here. Right, 2m and 6 divided by 2 equal 3. Ma divided m equal a. 2mb divided by 2m equal b. Right, negative between them, and also n was repeating. Negative 3 divided by negative positive 3 a Negative divide negative positive. N divide N1 P, then 3A plus B height cofactor. 3A plus B product by this expression divided expression, it will be 2M. And this expression divides expression, it will be N. Okay. Then the value of this expression 3A plus B equal 5. And 2M minus N was 8. He gave me this information in the example. Then the product between them equal 40. And the result here will be 40. Next question. Solution set of the equation 5x power 2 plus x in real numbers equal. We can write x height cofactor between together. 7x power 2 plus x. Write x height cofactor. 7x power 2 divided by x equals 7x and x plus x equal 1. They are equal 0. Then we have two factors. The product of them equals 0. We have two solutions. The first will be 0 or second is 0. Then x will be equal 0 or 7x plus 1 equals 0. We can move 1 to left hand side but change the sign. 7x equal negative 1 and then divided by 7. The result will be negative 1 over 7. Then the solution set will be 0 and negative 1 over 7. Next question. If x minus 1 is one factor of terminal factor, then other factor will be what? X power 2 subtract by 4x plus 3 equal. We can factorize the expression. Write x minus 1 product by 1 who give us one factor. Then x power 2 equal x times x and 3 equal negative 1 product by who can tell me? Negative 3. Negative 1 times negative 3 equals 3. Then the other factor will be x plus minus 3. Choose letter D. Next question. Number 10. X plus 3y is one of factors terminal factor. Here x power 3 x power 2 plus xy minus 6y power 2. We can factorize this expression. Right, two brackets. He gave me the first product is the first solution. He gave me the first factor. Okay, then the other factor we can write x power 2 equal x times x and negative 6y power 2 equals 3 times negative 2y. You can write x minus 3y. Next question. X power 2 subtract x plus 12 factorizer can be equal to what? Okay, we can write the value of a. He asked about the value of a. X power 2 subtract by ex plus 12. We can write, look at here. He won't find the value of a. We have x power 2 subtract by ex plus 12. This expression will be factorized if a equal what? We can find two numbers, the product of them equal 12 and the sum of them equal a. We know 3 times 4 equal 12. 3 plus 4 equals 7. Understood? We can factorize like this. X times x power 2, 3 times 4 equal 12. And positive equal negative from negative because the sign here was negative. Then the value of a will be 7. We can find the number in the middle by product extremes and means negative 3x and negative 4x equal negative 7x. Then the value of a will be 7. Okay, choose the answer letter C. Okay, start about this question also. If x power 2 plus bx plus 7x plus b factorizable can be 1 b equal what? We can factorize the expression x power 2 x times x and we want two numbers, the product of them equals 7 and the sum b is the sum of them equals 7. What is the number we can add together equals 7? We can write 2 and 5, but 2 times 5 is 10. We have 10. 1 times 7, but 7 we have in 7. So what about negative? We can write here x power 2 plus 7x minus 18. What about the factorized by the expression? X power 2, it will be x times x. We want two numbers, the product of them equal 18 and the difference between them equal 7. Like what? Like 2 and 9. 2 times 9 is 18. The greater will be positive and this will be a negative. Then the answer here will be negative 18. It's true because 2 times 9 is 18. Negative 2 times 9 is negative 18. And if we add 9 and negative 2, the addition between them will be positive 7x. Then the answer will be letter D. Okay. Next question. Number 13. We have x power 2 plus 5x plus 4 equal what? We can factorize this expression. We have x power 2 plus 5x, open two brackets, x power 2 equal x multiplied by x, and we want to find two numbers, the product of them equal 4 and addition of them equal 5. 1 times 4, right? X times x, and 1 multiply 4, right? Positive and positive. Number 14. The solution set of the equation x power 2 minus 6x minus 16 equal. We can factorize the expression x power 2 minus 6x minus 16 equals 0. A real number, okay? X power 2 equal x multiplied by x. We want two numbers, the product of them equal 18, like 2 times 8. The difference between them 6, right? This negative and this positive. Then we have x minus 8 equals 0 and x plus 2 equals 0. Then the value of x here equal negative 2 and x here will be equal to. The solution set will be negative 2 and 8. Next question. Numbers that can be added to the expression to be factorizable. Who can tell me? We have x power 2 plus 8x plus 5. What is the number we will add to 5 to can factorize? We can write here 2, letter B, to factorize. This number will be 7. Put it here, x times x power 2, 1 multiply 7 equals 7, and the addition between them equal 8. In the number we will add, it will be 2. Okay, choose letter B. Next question. X power 2 plus 3x subtract by 18. We can factorize x power 2 equal x times x. We want two number product of them equal 18 and the difference between them equal 3. We have 3 times 6 equal 18, and the sign 6 will be positive and 3 will be negative. Next question. X power 2 plus 8x plus 12 equal to x plus a product plus x plus 2. Look at it. 12 equal 2 times what? 2 times 6. This is the value of a equals 6. X plus 3y equal 5. 2x minus y equal 3. Then 2x power 2 plus 5xy minus 3y power 2 equal. We can factorize this example. We have 2x power 2 plus 5xy subtracted by 3y power 2. We can open two brackets here, right? 2x product by x, and we want 3, right? 3y and y. The product of extremes and means will be 5, and the sign here will be what? But he asked about the difference, not addition, so you must write here 3, because 2 times 3 equals 6. 6 minus 1 equal 5. And the sign here will be positive and this negative. Okay, we have 2 times 3 6 xy, and here about means negative xy. The addition will be positive 5xy. In this expression, factorize will be true. Okay, he give me the value of the example x plus 3y equal 5, and 2x minus y. 2x minus y is 3. Then 3 times 5 is 15. It's correct answer. Okay, choose letter B. Next question. We have question number 19. 3x power 2 plus 20x plus 17. We can factorize 3x power 2, 3x times x. We want to number product of them 17. Right, 17 times 1, positive and positive. 3x and 17x, sum of them equal 20x. Next question. If x minus 5 is one factor about 7x power 2, subtract by 34x subtract by 5 equal. He give us the first factor, so you can find second factor by, right? 7x power 2 equal x times 7x, and negative 5 equal negative 5 times what? Times 1. It's correct answer. Then solution will be 7x plus 1. You must choose it. Next question. We have 6a power 2 plus ka plus 10 equivalent to what? We can combine the answer about 2a minus 5 and 3a minus 2. He won't find the value of k. Where value of k here? About what? The product of extremes and the product of means. The product of means equal negative 2 times 2a, it will be negative 4a, and negative 5 times 3a, it will be negative 15a. We can collect together, it will be negative 19a. The negative 19a equivalent to ka. Then the value of a cancel. The value of k equal negative 19. The value of k equal negative 19. Okay. You can see the answer here. Negative 19. The answer will be negative 19. The product of extremes and means sum together, negative 19a equivalent to ka, then k will be negative 19. It shows the answer here, letter C. Next question. The solution set of the equation 2x power 2 minus 9x plus 9 in R equals 0. Okay, we can solve this equation. 2x power 2 subtract by 9x plus 9 equals 0. Okay, we can factorize this expression. Right, two brackets. 2x times x, we want 9. 9 equals 3 times 3. Because 2 times 3x, 2 times 3, 6x, and 6x plus 3x equal 9x here. And the sign will be negative and negative. Negative times negative positive, and the summation between them will be negative 9x. And we have two brackets. 2x minus 3 equals 0, or x minus 3 equals 0. Then we can write 2x equal 3 and then divided by 2. Then x equal 3 over 2 and x equal 3. Then solution set here will be 3 over 2 and 3. You can solve the equation by use calculator. You know, not calculator, you can use calculator. Open calculator here, like this, mode 5 and 3. Okay, mode 5 and 3, and then write the coefficient first two equal. Okay, and then negative 9 equal, and then 9 equal. Then the first solution will be 3, and the second solution will be 3 over 2. Okay, we have two solutions here, 3 over 2, 3 and 3 over 2. Okay, in one step by using calculator to find the answer. Next question. We have 5a power 2 subtracted by 12ap plus 7b power 2 equals 75. We can factorize this expression by product two terms. The result will be 75. 5a power 2, 5a product by a. We want to number product of them equals 7. We can write here 7b and b, because 5 times 1 equal 5. 5ab extremes, and the means would be 7ab. The collect between together equal 12ab, and the sign negative and negative. Okay, because negative times negative equal positive. This is a factorization. He gives us the example here is the value of 5a minus 7b negative 25. Negative 25 times what equals 25. We can divide it together. Then a minus b, 75 divided 25 equal negative 3. The answer here will be negative 23. Understood? Next question. Which of the following here represent perfect square? What's a perfect square? We can choose letter C, because square root of x power 2x and square root of 144 is 12. And the middle 2 times 12, 24 times x, right, 24x. Next question. The trimal represent perfect squares in E equal. We have ex power 2 equals the first. You must know the first term in perfect square equals the middle power 2 over 4 product by the third. Then we can write 8 power 2 equals 64 x power 2 over 4. Then ex power 2 equals 64 divided by 4 equals 16, 16 x power 2. we can raise the value of a here equals 16. So coefficient of x power 2. The result will be 16. Number 26. This expression perfect square, we want to find the value of k. Look at here, k lies in the middle. Then kx will be positive or negative. 2 product by square root of the first, product by square root of the third. Then kx will be equal positive or negative 2x product by 5. In kx equal positive or negative 10x. Then k will be positive or negative 10, so coefficient of x. Okay, the answer will be positive or negative 10. Choose that. Let's see. Next question. The value of k makes perfect square. We can find the value of k here. K where k lies in the third middle. Third middle, then we can write the rule. K equals the third. Okay, k is the third, k is the third. We know the third will be equal middle 20 negative 28x all power 2 over 4 product by first, 4 product by 4x power 2, and then it will be 28 times 28x power 2 over 4 times 4x power 2 cancel together. 28 divided by 4 7, 7 times 7 is 49. In the value of k it will be a positive 49. It shows letter B. It shows here letter B. Okay, next question. Number 28. Number 28 here. We have a square with an area of 9x power 2 plus 48x plus 64 square centimeter. Then side length will be what? The side length will be square root of the area. So we can find the square root of the area by what? We know 9x power 2 plus 48x plus 64. This expression we can factorize it by square root of the first, square root of the third, and write the middle here sign positive and out power 2. In the side length will be square root of the area. It will be 3x plus 8. The answer will be 3x plus 8. Next question. Fourth x power 2 plus 3x plus 9. We can find square root of the first. It will be half x, and the third 3, and the middle will be positive, and write power 2 here. Next question. The missing term, this expression, will we have perfect square. Perfect square is the middle equal positive or negative. 2 product by square root of the first, square root of the third. Write positive or negative 2 product y, 3y product by 4. Write positive or negative 2 times 3 6, 6 times 4 equal 24, and write y. Next question. We have x power 2 plus 2xy plus y power 2 equal 25. We can factorize this expression. Square root of the first and the third, and write the sign of the middle or power 2. Then x plus y, positive or negative square root of 25, positive or negative 5. Because this expression was perfect square. Solution set of the equation. You can use calculator to find the result. Okay, or you can factorize the expression. This expression was perfect square. Square root of the first and the third and the middle, and then write the square root of left hand side, right hand side. X minus 6 will be 0. In the value of x here it will be 6. Solution set 6. We can factorize the expression by using also factorizing square root of the first and the third and the sign of the middle and the power 2. Then this number will be 100. 100 power 2, it will be 100 times 100, it will be 10,000. Next question. Number 34. 25x power 2 subtract by 90xy plus 81y power 2 equal. This expression we called it perfect square. We can find square root of 25, it will be 5, and x. Square root of 81 power 2, it will be 9y whole power 2, and write the sign of the middle here negative. Write negative. This is factorization. Next question. X power 2 minus 9 is equal to x times x power 2 and 3 negative and positive. Next question. 3x power 2 minus 3, we can write 3 had come factor between two terms, 3x power 2 divided by 3x power 2 minus 1, and then write 3 outside and factorize the expression. Write x times x and negative 1 plus 1. Next question. X power 2 product by a plus 2b minus y power 2 minus y power 2 product by a plus 2b. We have expression was repeating. We can write a plus 2b had come factor between two expressions. Then write x power 2 minus y power 2 and then complete a plus 2b product by x minus y product by x plus y. Question 38. We have x power 2 minus 4y power 2 equal 21. We can factorize x minus 2y product by x plus 2y equal 21. X plus 2y equal what? We have the value here 3. 3 times what? Equal 21. 3 times 7. Then the answer here will be 7. X power 3 minus x. We can write x had come factor. X power 3 divide x power 2. X divide x equal 1. Complete x had come factor and then x times x power 2 negative 1 and positive 1. Next question. 49 a power 2 b power 4 subtract by 4. We can find square root of the first 7ep and 7ep negative 2 and plus 2. Solution set of the equation x power 2 minus 25 equals 0. We can factorize x minus 5 and x plus 5 equals 0. The first solution x will be 5 and here x will be negative 5. Solution set will be 5 and negative 5. Choose letter A. Next question. Solution set of the equation x power 2 plus 81 equals 0. The solution set will be null set phi. Because we have addition between two squared, then solution set will be null set phi. If we can example like this, right, x power 2 equal 81 negative, then x will be square root of negative 81, not belonging to a real number. Okay, then solution set will be null set phi. Okay, this question. Next question number 4. Solution set of the equation x power 2 plus 9 equal 25. Then x power 2 plus 9 minus 25 equals 0. Then x power 2 minus 16 equals 0. We can collect together and then factorize expression x times x power 2 and negative 4 and plus 4. We have two terms, the product of them equal 0. Then first equals 0 or second will be or 0. The solution set will be 4 or negative 4. 4 or negative 4. Okay, next question. The solution set of the equation x power 3 equals 36x. We can write x power 3 subtract by 36x equals 0. And then write had come factor between together. X power 3 divide x will be x power 2. 36x divide x equals 36. And then factorize the expression x times x power 2, write negative 6 and positive 6. We have three terms. The value of each one equals 0. X will be equal 0 or x minus 6 equals 0 or x plus 6 equals 0. In the first solution here, x will be 6 and x here will be negative 6. We have solution set 0 and 6 and negative 6. We have three solutions about this question. Next question, number 45. 75 power 2 subtract by 25 all power 2 equal. We can factorize this expression by product by 75 and write negative 25 and positive 25 equal what? We can find the result, product the answer. We have 50 here and here 100. The result will be 5,000. But he asked about 100 times what? 100 times 50. The answer will be 50. Choose letter B. Next question. We have x power 3 plus 1. We can factorize the expression, write small brackets and greater brackets. X power 3, cubic root of it will be x. X will be x power 2. A cubic root of 1, it will be 1. And 1 power 2 equal 1. And the middle, first and second, change the sign. X minus 2 product by x power 2 plus 2x plus 4. We can write first by first, it will be x power 3, and second by third, it will be negative 8. Choose letter A. Next question. We have a power 3 subtract b power 3. We can factorize this expression. Square root of the cubic root of the first and the second, a power 2 and the b power 2, and the middle, first by second, change the sign. He gives us in the example the value here is 64, and the value of this expression was 16. 16 times 4 equals 64. Then a minus b equal 4. Choose 4. We have x power 3 plus y power 3 equal. We can factorize this expression. Cubic root of the first and the second, x power 2, and then y here will be y power 2, and the middle, write x times y, write negative. And then we have the value here was 28, and this expression, the value here was what? X plus y2, 2 times 14. Then the answer will be 14. Choose letter B. Okay, next question. Find the value of k here. We have x power 3 minus k equal to x minus 5 product by x power 2 plus 5x plus 25. What is the value of k? We know negative k equal negative 5 times 25. Then negative k equal negative 125. The value of k is 125. Question 51. We have x power 3 plus a equal x plus 3 product by x power 2 subtract 3x plus 9. We want to find cubic root of a. First, we know a equals 3 times 9. A equal 3 product by 9 is 27. Then cubic root of 27 equal 3. Next question. If 2a plus 3 is one of factor prime factor 8a or 3 plus 27, then the other factor will be what? We can factorize this, open small brackets and greater brackets. Cubic root of the first, it will be 2a. Then 2a power 2, it will be 4a power 2. 27 power cubic root of this with 3, 3 power 2 is 9. And the middle, we can write 2 times 3, 6, and change the sign, negative 6a. Next question. We have 2ax plus bx plus 2ay plus by. We can write x height cofactor between two terms. The result will be 2a plus b. And here write height cofactor y between together. The result will be ta plus p. Then we can write 2a plus p. Divide this expression by this expression. The result will be x. Divide expression by this expression, it will be y. Next question, number 54. mn plus 5n plus 7m plus 35 equal. We can write height cofactor between two terms using dividing about this expression. Write height cofactor between together here. And mn divide n equal m, and 5n divide n equal 5. And here write height cofactor between together. Write 7m divide m equal m. 35 divided 7 equal 5. This expression was repeating. Then you can write m plus 5 again, height cofactor between two expressions. Divide expression by m plus n, m plus 5, it will be n. And this expression divided this expression, it will be 7. Choose the answer, okay? Next question. Y power 3 plus y power 2 plus y plus 1. We can divide this expression, right? Y power 2 had come factor. Y power 3 divide by 2 y. Y power 2 divide by 2 1. We can write y plus 1 product by y power 2 and here 1. Divide the expression by expression 1. Solution is expression divide expression to y power 2. Next example. Number 5. B power 2 plus BC plus CD plus DB equal 15. We can divide it, write height factor B between together, the result will be plus C, and right here B height factor, the result will be D, and here we have here C. CD divided, this is not D, again we can write D height factor, D was repeated, okay, then CD divided by D equal C, and DB divided by D equal B equal 15, and then we can write B plus C height factor between together, the result will be here P and here D, the result will be 15. He gives B plus C was 3, then 3 product by what equal 15, 3 times 5, and the result here will be 5. Next question, number 57. We have A power 2 plus 4AP plus 4B power 2 subtract by 49. This expression, we can factorize expression about perfect square. You can write square root of the first and the third square root of this number will be 2b or power 2, raise the sign of the middle, and 49 is 7 power 2, and then factorize the expression a plus 2b and here a plus 2b, write negative 7 and positive a 7. Okay, this is the answer about this question. Next example, when completing square from expression x power 2 plus 16, we add what? We must add positive or negative 2 times square root of the first times square root of 16. Positive or negative 2 product by x product by 4. Right? Positive or negative 2 times 4 8. The result will be positive or negative 8x. Okay, we must add the example to factorize. Okay, we want to factorize the expression a power 4 plus 4b power 4. We must add positive or negative 2 times square root of the first times square root of the third. Right? Positive or negative a power 2 times 2b power 2. Positive or negative 2a power 2 p power 2. You must add this, but 2 times 2 is 4. Okay, 2 times 2 is 4. We have 2 here. Then we must add positive or negative for a power 2 p power 2. Okay, now I will solve the example about factorization. First step, we must write a power 2 and 4 power 4 here. Okay, then we must add and subtract here. Add what? 4a power 2 p power 2. You must add together between them. Okay, raise the sign here for a power 2 p power 2 and here for a power 2 p power 2. And this expression we have 3 terms. It's a perfect square. You can write square root of the first, square root of the third, raise the sign of the middle, all power 2. Write negative 2ab all power 2, because square root of this number it will be this power 2, it will be again. Then we can factorize again by difference square. We have two expression we can factorize together. Write 2 brackets here like this, repeating this expression a power 2 plus t power 2, a power 2 plus 2 power 2, and write negative and positive, repeating this expression 2ap and here 2ap. Okay, this is the solution here about letter A. Choose letter A. Number 60. If 9 n power 2 minus 9 n power 2 plus 2 n power 2 subtract 6 mn is a one factor polynomial 81 n power 4 plus 4 n power 4. You can write the factors here about what? Change the sign of negative 6 mn, it will be positive 6 mn. The answer will be letter B. So I will solve it again with you. We must add and subtract. In this expression we must add positive or negative to square root of first and square root of the third. Square root of the third and the first. Here we have 1 n power 4 and square root of 4 n power 4. We must either subtract 2 product by 9 n power 2 square root of 4 to n power 2. Positive or negative 2 times 2 times 9, 2 times 2 4, 4 times 9 36, n power 2 n power 2. Then in the example here we must put, look at here, start about 81 n power 4 and here positive 4 n power 4. Put here positive and here negative. Okay, and then put 36 n power 2 n power 2 and here 36 n power 2 n power 2. This expression is a perfect square. You can write square root of the first, it will be 9 n power 2 and here 2 n power 2. Write the sign positive, whole power 2 and here 6 m n whole power 2 and then factorize expression, 2 brackets. Okay, the first brackets here will be 9 n power 2 plus 2 n power 2 and here 9 n power 2 plus 2 n power 2. Write negative and positive. Okay, negative 6 mn and positive 6 mn. In the other factor in the example you must choose letter B. Okay, other factor he give me in the example the other factor, the first factor, the second factor will be letter B. Okay, we've now finished questions number 1.